After Jaguar displayed a prototype of the XK120 at the 1948 London Motor Show to the awestruck public and motoring press, the decision was made to put it into production. These beautiful cars were fitted with the new XK range of engines that would power it up to 120 miles per hour, making them the world's fastest production car at the time. The combination of looks, performance, ensured success, and now continue to be one of the most desirable classic cars of all time. A superb example of one of the most collected classics is a rare opportunity to get one in a condition like this. Always the increasing XK120 makes for a great collectible and an exhilarating drive.